Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a chain link steering wheel. Right, you will need some kind of old aftermarket steering wheel. I've already started chopping this one up, but it needs to have a steel centre, some chain and a traffic cone. So first of all, you want to get hold of an old steering wheel that fits your car, preferably, and cut the centre out. So the centre needs to be made of steel, so we can weld the chain to it. So once you've got the middle cut out and all cleaned up, you want some chain. You need to cut the chain to the right length. So the best way is just to eye it up to about the size you want, and then trim off the bits that you don't need. Right, you want to cut the link like so you can join it up and make a complete loop. Right, this is the point where you'll need your traffic cone, but it turns out my traffic cone is not very round. So I've used the top of the gas bottle on the welder. So I've placed the chain around the top, and as you can see, this will hold it in a near perfect circle, and also allows you to get it as straight as you can. So the next step is to go around and weld on the back of each link, securing them and making it a solid structure. So once you've welded all the way around, you should be left with something that looks a bit like this. A nice solid chain link circle. And what I forgot to mention beforehand is make sure you weld on what you desire to be the back of the steering wheel. And if you keep it as neat as you can, you shouldn't be able to see anything from the front. And also, it's really hot, hence the gloves. So all you need to do is the little link that you cut out so you could join the chain up, you just need to fill that up with weld. So you've got complete links all the way around. So when you've welded up the link that you cut, so you've got a complete seamless chain link, you're going to need to trim and bend or whatever your centre until it fits how you want it to. So I've done quite a bit of trimming and bending on this one to get it to fit the chain link, and it's fitting pretty good, so I will weld it up. once you've welded all the way around, you've got yourself a complete chain link steering wheel. So that's your finished chain link steering wheel. Now this one is quite small and quite deep dish. It's going on the car behind me. So it just needs a clean up and a paint. And it's all done. So cheers for watching, guys. If you enjoyed that, please subscribe and I'll see you again. Thank you.